Introduction to AWS Amplify API category. The AWS Amplify API category provides a set of tools and services that enable developers to build scalable and secure APIs for their applications. In this guide, we will walk through the process of using AWS Amplify API category to build and deploy APIs. Step 1. Understanding the basics. To get started with AWS Amplify API category, you need to understand the basics of APIs and how they work with AWS Amplify. An API or application programming interface is a set of defined rules that enable different applications to communicate with each other. AWS Amplify provides a set of tools and services that make it easy to build and deploy APIs. Step 2. Creating an API. To create an API using AWS Amplify, you need to install the AWS Amplify CLI and initialize a new Amplify project. Once you have initialized the project, you can use the Amplify API command to create a new API. You can choose from a variety of API templates or start from scratch. Step 3. Defining API endpoints. After creating an API, you need to define the API endpoints. API endpoints are the URLs that clients use to interact with your API. You can define API endpoints using the AWS Amplify CLI or using the AWS Management Console. You can also define the HTTP methods that are allowed for each endpoint. Step 4. Implementing API logic. After defining the API endpoints, you need to implement the API logic. API logic is the code that runs when a client makes a request to your API. You can implement API logic using AWS Lambda functions or using other AWS services such as Amazon DynamoDB. Step 5. Securing your API. After implementing the API logic, you need to secure your API. You can secure your API using AWS IAM roles and permissions. You can also use API keys or OAuth tokens to authenticate and authorize clients. Step 6. Deploying your API. After securing your API, you can deploy it to production. You can deploy your API using the AWS Amplify CLI or using the AWS Management Console. You can also use AWS Code Pipeline to automate the deployment process. Best practices. When building and deploying APIs using AWS Amplify API category, it is essential to follow best practices. You should always use secure protocols such as HTTPS to encrypt data in transit. You should also use authentication and authorization mechanisms to secure your API. Additionally, you should monitor your API performance and optimize it for better performance.